Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Alfredo sauce with Greek yogurt. This easy method offers a delicious, lighter alternative to traditional Alfredo, packed with protein and flavor. You'll learn to create a wonderfully creamy sauce in under 30 minutes, perfect for a quick weeknight meal. It's a fantastic way to enjoy a comforting dish with fewer calories and less fat, without sacrificing any of that rich, satisfying taste. Let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic for that aromatic base. The stars of our sauce are 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt and 3/4 cup of milk, which create the creamy texture. Don't forget 3/4 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese for that classic Alfredo flavor. Finally, have salt and pepper on hand to season your sauce perfectly. Now, let's make the sauce. First, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan over medium heat, then sauté 1 tablespoon of minced garlic for about 1 minute until it's fragrant. Remove the pan from the heat and slowly whisk in 3/4 cup of milk, followed by 1 cup of Greek yogurt, ensuring it's smooth. Return the pan to low heat, gradually stirring in 3/4 cup of Parmesan cheese until it's completely melted and creamy. Season with salt and pepper to taste, and add a splash of reserved pasta water if you desire a thinner consistency. Your delicious Greek yogurt Alfredo sauce is now ready. Serve it immediately over your favorite cooked pasta, such as fettuccine or linguine, for a comforting meal. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh chopped parsley and a sprinkle of additional grated Parmesan cheese. This versatile sauce pairs wonderfully with grilled chicken or steamed vegetables, making it a complete and satisfying dish. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.